Hey friends, it's Miss McGuad and I'm here with another science trivia video today on college/Brook Pride Day. So I have my Boston University sweater on, I have my cap on because that's where I went to college, and I hope you guys are all geared up too. So for today's science trivia video, our topic is going to be the senses. And I know you guys know a lot about your senses, so I tried to find a lot of cool facts that you may or may not know. Today's game is going to be formatted as a true or false. So that means I'm going to read you a sentence about the senses. You're going to try to pick or decide whether or not I'm telling the truth. So if you think what I'm saying is true, you will write down or say true. And if you think what I'm saying is false, it's not true, you're going to say or write false. Sound good? And I don't think I have any new science leaders for between this video and my previous video, so I'm just gonna give a shout out to Josiah and Victoria for being awesome and participating in my animals video. And if you want to be a science leader just like them, then you're gonna wanna keep track of your points, and you're going to stick around until the end of the video when I explain to you how to do that. So you don't need materials necessarily for my video. All you need is your brain. However, if you want to keep track of your points, or if you think it's easier to write down your answers, then you could absolutely pause the video right now and get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. Did you pause it? You got your stuff? Now's your chance. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get started with our first question. True or false? You can hear the difference between hot and cold water. I'm going to count down 10 seconds. If you need more time, feel free to just pause the video before I finish counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That is true. That's a really cool fun fact that I learned. You should try it out. Have somebody turn on the water to be cold or hot, and then try to see or try to hear if you can tell the difference. And apparently you can. Let me know how that goes. All right, second question. People have 1,000 taste buds. What do you guys think? True or false? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is false, friends. So people have anywhere between 2,000 to 10,000 taste buds, which is crazy. Apparently, there's a small group of people who are super tasters who have a lot of taste buds in their mouth, more than the average person. So, who knows? Apparently, some picky eaters may actually be super tasters. All right, next question, friends. True or false? You have about 21 senses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is true. I know, crazy, because you're like, you haven't taught us all 21 senses, but I think I learned about the 21 senses when I was in college. So you guys are getting a pretty good head start. But things like hunger and temperature and a ton of other things that you don't think are senses are actually senses. I know I do that like once a video, but like, all right, friends. True or false? Some people have a gene that makes cilantro taste like mud. Okay, so this one I have to break down a little bit. A gene is something that gets passed on from your parents to you. So when people say, oh, you kind of look like your mom or your dad or this other person in your family, that's because of your genes. Genes are something that you get from your grown-up that get passed down to you, and it can affect how you look, it can affect how you act, what you like and what you don't like. And if you don't know what cilantro is, it's an herb. It's also known as coriander. It's used in a lot of dishes for cooking. And yeah, a lot of people sometimes like to use it as a topping, like parsley, to make their dishes look pretty. So I'm going to read that sentence again, and hopefully it makes more sense now that I've explained some of the words in it. So true or false? Some people have a gene that makes cilantro taste like mud. So some people have a trait passed down from their parents that makes this specific food taste like mud. Do you guys think that's possible? Do you think it's true or false? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that one is false. However, there is a gene, there is something that's passed down from your parents that could make cilantro taste like soap. Maybe some of you guys watching have the gene and you're like, and you've tasted cilantro before and you're like, yep, pretty soapy, I don't like it. I'm exposing Mr. Sky right now, but he actually has the gene that makes cilantro taste like soap. So next time you go watch Read Aloud, you can be like, hey, Mr. Skyer, I heard that cilantro tastes like soap to you. Is that true? And I think he will be very entertained by those comments, hopefully. So that was it for our true and false questions. However, I have a bonus question. You're going to need to write the whole answer or say the whole answer out loud. It's not going to be a true or false. What are the 5 main senses? So we just learned that there are 21 senses. But what are the 5 main senses, the ones that you probably have learned about in school? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to write it down, or you can pause the video while I'm counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. All right, let's see. I'm gonna sing our little sign song in my head so I know. We use our eyes to see, so sight or seeing is one. I use my nose to smell, so smelling is another one. I use my ears to hear, hearing. I use my mouth to taste, taste. Use my hands to touch. So if you said sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch, give everybody a quiz. Nice job. All right, friends, that is all we have today for our science trivia video. If you want to be a science leader just like Josiah and Victoria, then you're going to add up all your points from today. 1 correct answer means 1 point, and you're going to comment it down below along with your name, and I will give you a shout out in the next video or whenever I see your comment. Sound good? I hope you guys are having an awesome day on Brooke/College Pride Day. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.